Hey everyone,
Hi.
Chip and Leroy here. Today we're going to be gluing up the door dresser liner on the 2005 Mustang because it keeps
falling off.
Yeah, it keeps falling off.
Looks
And
like a mess.
It looks like a mess, and it gets stuck on people's jackets whenever they're in the passenger seat. And we've tried gluing it before with like spray adhesive. Obviously it didn't work because here we are again. So we're going to show you how we do it, and we'll update if it doesn't work. So if there's no update video, it worked. So we're going to be using this stuff.
Oh, it's upside down.
Which we used on the, we did another project off camera where we put the trunk liner in the Thunderbird, and this stuff was super sticky. So I think that this will work.
This is the black super weather strip adhesive
by 3M.
We'll link it below.
Yeah, so we'll show you what we're dealing with here. So we're gonna see if we can, without peeling the rest of it down, get that stuff all up in here and then hold it up and push it in.
Are we gonna get like this gunk off first?
That's what you're supposed to do, but we're gonna see if we can not do that.
So we're taking shortcuts.
We're taking shortcuts. Look, people don't want to watch long videos. People don't want to be out all day. They want a quick fix. So hopefully we can get it fixed.
You're right.
So we'll start doing that, and we'll get set up, and then we'll resume.
Wait, hold it up.
Okay, sorry. Hey.
All right, Chip and Leroy from the future here.
And it worked. So just so you know, you should watch the rest of the video and make sure you like and subscribe, and do it like
right now.
Right now. Yeah, because it worked. So
it'll work for you as well. So Chip, show them the final project.
Final project.
Results.
And look, that's the driver door. So we didn't make it up. We didn't make it up. It's really back together, right? You know, Leroy said we should make it up, but
No,
I said we never lie to our subscribers.
I never told anybody to lie.
But if you're not subscribed, then we might have to lie. All right.
All right. So
back to the present.
Alright, so Chip's bringing out the equipment, all of the tools that we're gonna need.
Oh, and we're gonna need, let's see, this'll work, ski pass.
So we have gloves, we have the glue, we have an epoxy tooling. Oh no, wait, I think that's the brand. I don't know, some stick.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And a card. So yeah, we're all ready. It's a little windy today. This almost blew away, so hopefully that does not impact our project. Oh, and another 2 more sticks.
More tools. Okay, so this stuff, I believe it gets increasingly like, I don't know if the right word, let's see if we can even open it, because from the last time that we used it, is tacky, but it starts off kind of like liquidy.
Why is it black?
They just keep coming, more questions. Why?
I don't know. I don't know why. But it starts off a little more liquidy, and like as it's drying, it gets like, I don't know if tacky is the word, but I'm gonna use that. I feel like the best way to describe it is like what you would picture.
He's about to do something stupid.
Venom from the Spider-Man movies is what I'm being like.
Shouldn't you put some a little higher too?
Yeah, I'm going to. I think I'm actually going to put it on this part. I don't know if I can get it in. Well, let's see. Ah, the door's moving.
I said before the wind might impact our project.
Hey, you didn't tell me that. I'm kidding.
Beautiful.
Well, let's see. I don't know if we gotta get more in between, but
I guess you don't want it to like ooze out.
yeah. I think we'll start with that. We'll let it sit for a little bit. Probably like, it's a little cooler today.
So we're not gonna stick it to it right away?
Actually, you know what? Let me see if I can get this off. Actually, it's already kind of, yeah, before it was really hot, so let me put some in the corner there.
So this is what we want it to look like.
Let's just cut and go after on that side.
Oh yeah, that's good there.
Alright, let's see. Oh, there's a, I didn't realize it was that bad. Get some in the gap here. Ugh.
Why do you have to wait before sticking it though?
Well, they said it gets tackier, and on the other, when we did it before, you stuck it right away. It worked. It just felt like it was getting tackier as we waited. I have to clean it a little up after, but maybe just stick it.
Do you want me to help with the wood?
No, I think I got it. To clean that part up after we go get it.
Push, there's a big bubble in the middle.
I'm gonna go get more popsicle sticks and jam them in there, and then I'll be back.
I'll be back.
Okay.
Alright, Chip made it back.
Dangerous road, but we made it. Where are the wipes?
Oh.
Brought wipes. I put Leroy in charge of them.
Already lost them. Does this stuff come off?
Well, we're figuring that out now. It'll come off. You might have to just scrape it off. But let's see here.
That looks pretty good.
It does. Now we're just going to tuck it up.
Looks like it was done professionally.
And it only took not even 10 minutes and some sore knees. My knees kind of hurt, but that's because that could have been avoided. So let's see if we can now scrape this part off.
Bit of a mess over there. I don't know if you can see.
Bit of a mess. Could be worse though. I mean, it still looks a lot better than before.
I feel like you can't even see from here.
That's good. No mess. No mess. No, I'm just gonna get something to scrape it off. Chip got a knife.
Ouch.
Ouch.
Oh, careful.
Got poked. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
I'm Captain Obvious.
10 minutes of work, 6 hours in the ER. I feel like a surgeon, but I'm gonna need to do surgery on myself after.
Great.
What?
I am a surgeon!
Be like the operation game.
Coming off pretty well.
It is.
So don't be nervous if you make a mess. Comes right off.
If you make a boo-boo. This stuff is supposed to be heat resistant because it's what's used on the weather stripping, like the rubbery part of your door and stuff. So
That's good.
should last. Alright, looks good. Let me get up under here. Now I'm under it, I can see where it went up. Tractable.
What happened?
It was like pulling out and then getting sucked back in.
What did he say?
probably can't even see this because I didn't see it until I was sitting underneath.
Yeah, you can't really see it.
Probably the appropriate thing to do would have been to tape it off first.
Well, we know for next time.
Now, you
Hopefully
guys, the
there
viewer,
isn't a
know.
next time, but
No, I don't think that this stuff will come off.
isn't this what we used last time though?
No, we used like the spray adhesive.
Oh, well, yeah, I do remember that. Yeah, this stuff does seem better than that. Beautiful.
One more spot.
Right there.
Yep. It's coming along.
Sorry for the background noise.
I think we're all set.
Looks good as new. Right, Chip?
Right. I didn't get the car new, so I wouldn't know what it looked like new, but...
This is what you would picture it to be like.
Yes. Good.
Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this,
Informational video.
yeah, informational video.
If it helped you, make sure you like and subscribe. Alright? And,
Now.
yeah, right now. Like don't wait, because you might forget. And,
We'll see you in the next one.
yeah, we'll see you in the next one.